so I can pour it on. Let's get started. First, you pour everything out of the box. We need this for later.
What is that?
Frosting. You have to cut this open. Oh, that smells so good. Next, we need 3/4 of water.
That looks perfect.
Now I pour it in. It's a volcano. 3 eggs. 1, 2. This is the last one. That was satisfying. Then we need 1/3 of my vegetable oil. Mixing, mixing, Oliver. Mixing, mixing, mixing. You mix and sing. Cooking with it till mama. Cooking with it till mama.
So how long do you stir this for?
Until the powder is all gone. The instructions call for half. Now I'm gonna put them all. That doesn't look like enough. There. Now it's time to pour it in. All done! Now I got to put it in the oven. Ask your parents to put the oven on 350 degrees. Hey, make sure you put it in for 26 to 30 minutes.
And then what do you do for the 26 minutes you're waiting?
Silks time! I'm doing my triangle. You can go like this. And now take it out. And I can do my back ball. Oh, my cookies are ready. Time for the icing. It didn't come with sprinkles? I'm mad at them for not being sprinkles, but I have some. Oops. Even the icing tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
May I taste some? It does taste like Fruity Pebbles icing.
Yeah.
It's really good. All done?
No.
What do you mean? More icing?
Uh-huh.
You don't think that's enough icing?
There. Now I need sprinkles. There's a little bit more icing. Plop it on the top. Then, 1. But aren't you the judge?
I don't know if I can judge that.
Until